Hi everyone, I am C. Harshavardhan. I am from EEE Department, A section, first BTech first semester, CAA 2 assignment, topic Operation on Files, subject name Introduction to Programming, subject code 23CSC01. Operations on Files. At the end of the session, we all know about the introduction to files, types of files, file operations, conclusion. First topic, Introduction to Files. A file is a collection of data to store in the secondary memory. So file data was entered into the programs through the keyboard. So files are used for storing information that can be processed by the programs. Files are not only used for storing the data, programs are also stored in files. In order to use files, we have to learn file input and file output operations. That is how data is read and how to write into a file. Types of files. A file can be classified into two types. They are text files and binary files. First one, text files. A text file contains the data in the form of ASCII characters and is generally used to store a stream of characters. Second one, binary files. A binary file contains the data in memory in binary form, zeros and ones instead of ASCII characters. They contain data that can be stored in a similar how it is stored in the main memory. File operation. There are five types of file operations. First one, creating a new file, opening a file, writing information into a file, reading information from a file, closing a file. First one, creating a new file. To create a new file, you need to declare a pointer type file. This declaration is needed for communication between file and program. Syntax: files not file pointer. Here file is a data type and file pointer is a pointer variable. Second one, opening a file. The fopen function is used to create a new file or to open an existing file. This function call initialize an object of the data type file which contains all the information necessary to control the stream. Syntax: file pointer equal to fopen open bracket file name comma mode. Here file name is a string literal which you will use to name, and mode is a file accessing mode. The accessing mode of the file are for opens an existing text file, for reading purpose W, for opening a text file, for writing A, for opening a text file, for writing in an appending mode. Example: fp is equals to fopen into sample text.r. Here fp is a pointer variable that represents the file descriptor. If open function opens a file, sample text.read in mode. Third one, closing a file. After completion the file, reading or writing it must be closed. To close the file, C provides the function called fclose function. Syntax: fclose pointer variable. Example: fclose fp. Fp is a pointer variable that represents the file descriptor. Fourth one, reading information into a file. After writing data into the file, you can read the data from the file. To read data from the file, C supports different functions. They are getC, getW, fscanf, and gets. First one, getC function. The getC function returns the ASCII equivalent of the character, which is an integer that is being read. If getC function defects it has reached the end of the file, it will return the special value of EOF. The general syntax is int getC file star fp. getW. The function getW returns the integer value of the from a file and the value of address stored in the file pointer. The syntax of getW is int getW file star fp. Fscanf function. This function is used to read different types of data from the file. The general syntax is fscanf file pointer, control string, and variable 1 and variable 2. GetFgets function. This function is used to read the string values from the file. The syntax of gets is fgets char star variable comma int size comma file pointer. Here variable is a type character, size of the length string reading from the file. Fifth one, writing information into a file. You can write data into the file using different functions. They are putc, putw, fprintf, fputs, etc. Fputc. The functions putc is used to write a character into a file which is opened for writing. The general syntax is putc int c comma file star fp. If an error occurs, it returns eof. Putw. This function is used to write an integer data type into the file. The syntax of putw function is putw int variable comma file pointer. Printf function. This function is used to write different types of data into the file. The general syntax is fprintf file pointer control string variable 1 comma variable 2. Fputs. This function is used to write string values into the file. The syntax of fputs function is fputs text comma file pointer. Example program on file operation. Hash include stdio.h int main function open bracket file star fp character ch fp equal to f open into codetantra dot text comma w printf enter the character while ch is equal to gets char open bracket f put c into ch comma fp close bracket f close fp is equals to f open into codetantra dot text r printf print the character slash n while ch is equals to f get c fp open bracket put char ch close bracket f close fp close bracket. Conclusion. Operation on files is a fundamental aspect of computer systems and programming. Understanding file operation enables efficient data handling and manipulation. Proper file management practices are essential for the smooth functioning of applications and data integrity. Thank you.